In the world of commodities, eyes are on gold and oil as those traders are wondering what's going to happen in those sectors when it comes to military action in Syria. Here to talk about it today is Adrian Deaux of Adrian Deaux Asset Management. Adrian, it's good to have you.
Well, nice to be here. Thank you.
Adrian, let's look at gold. Some traders are saying that they're thinking gold will pull back if we see some sort of military action in Syria. Is this true, and if so, why?
Oh, absolutely not. No, if military action goes ahead, I think gold is going to shoot upwards. I mean, I don't want to put a number on it, but it's going to go significantly higher. I mean, if you look at the last week or 10 days, you can see gold is moving up when military action looks more likely, and then it pulled back, of course, this morning when after the British Parliament turned down or rejected joining the US. So the last 10 days or so has very much been up and down depending on what Syria is looking like, and that is what you would expect. I mean, gold is a defense against geopolitical turmoil. That's what you'd expect.
Turning to oil, we also saw oil have a run up when a lot of the rumors started about whether or not there would be some sort of military action. It's pretty much the same question. If we do see military action there, do we see oil continue a rally?
No, I think absolutely. And again, it's been the same thing. Oil has moved up on days when it looks like things are moving towards military action, pulled back yesterday and today, or today rather, pulled back after the British Parliament vote. Syria itself doesn't produce a lot of oil. Syria is not critical for oil. That's not what people are worried about. People are worried about some kind of conflagration affecting other countries in the Middle East where oil is much more important, and the refineries and the shipping lanes and so on. Syria itself is not important. But if military action goes ahead, there's no question oil and gold will both move up, as I expect.
So finally, what is the play on oil and gold? Do you want to invest in both areas, or are you trying to focus on one or the other?
I would emphasize gold more than oil, and I'll tell you why. If you're a short-term trader, and I mean a very short-term trader, just betting on Syria, I would go for oil. But to me, gold's fundamentals are better. So if something does move ahead in Syria and then it ends, oil will go up and then it will pull back more dramatically. Gold, it seems to me, has the stronger fundamentals at the moment, and so gold would be likely to hold its gains a little more. So as a longer-term investor, I'd go for gold.
All right, Adrian Deaux, it's always good to talk to you. Thanks so much.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.